I am always on the hunt for weird and unusual lenses with some interesting bokeh. In the last 3 years, we saw a lot of ultra-fast lenses coming from China. Some were ultra-fast and some claimed to be, and did not deliver some great results. This is a 75 f1.25 from 7 Artisans, a very heavy monster with a M mount. With a max aperture of 1.25, this lens should give me outstanding results in low light and some amazing bokeh. So I tested the lens wide open in a dark place with a lot of big and small subjects. At f1.2 I would imagine to see some really big bokeh balls and a very blurry background. And the first thing that strikes me is the lack of bokeh for medium range subjects. Here we have something looking more like a f2 lens. Giant bokeh balls only start to form when you are in the minimal focus distance of 70 cm, which is really close to your subject. Wide open and at infinity, the lens keeps a pretty good sharpness. Some light chromatic aberrations can be spotted, but it's pretty okay for an ultra-fast lens. I can't say this lens is bad or not interesting, but I can't say I enjoyed using it. For me, it lacks the character of the amazing 50mm f0.95 from TT Artisans. Or the incredible organic sharpness of the Meyer Optics 75mm f1.9. In the past, I reviewed the F1.05 from 7 Artisans, and I must say I was also not very pleased with the bokeh on this lens. And now I highly doubt that the aperture values on this series of lenses are accurate. This needs to be a reminder that we should always question the real characteristic of a lens before buying it, and not only trust the numbers on the box. I am happy to announce that the Iceland Photography Workshop is officially launched. There will be room for 15 lucky photographers. We will have the chance to capture the northern lights, amazing landscapes, while experimenting with weird techniques and cameras. If you want more information or get an early bird spot, click the link in the description. Be quick, there's only 10 spots left.